Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, but I'm here today for my first unboxing for Beebeecraft. Now, I want to be sure to get this stuff out of the way so I don't forget. There's a discount code below for you guys, and it's Sweet Pea 5, and you'll get $5 off orders of $40 or more from Beebeecraft, and all the links to them are below. There's also, you can take part of this program if you have 100 subscribers or more in your YouTube channel, and the link to participate in that or apply for that is below as well. Now, I did open this to get the paperwork out, the invoice, so I had the names to give you of each item, but I haven't opened the items. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got in here. Oh, here we go. Okay, now this should be the scissors from Sunnyclue, and also the, yeah, it felt like there was something more than there. This is my new die, and the die comes from Arricraft, and it's a leaf die, and I can't wait to use that. Now, I'll be using these items in future videos and show you how to use them, so I'll get out the big shot and show you how to use these. So let's take a look. I love flower and leaf die, and that's what this is. It's a plant. It's the leaves and the flower. So that's cool. Oh, we got a second package. I want to make sure nothing happens to it, huh? Whoa, there we go. I always have trouble with those little sticky things on the envelopes. Okay, so here you go. Here's the plant. And here's the leaf. There we go. I got my new camera set up, so I'm still getting used to it. So that looks like it's going to be fun. We will probably do this on a tag a week. So be sure to check on Wednesdays. This Wednesday's is already filmed, but the Wednesday after that, I'll use the leaf die. And then I've also got these little 4 to 5 inch antique scissors. And let's take a look in here and see that. I've always wanted some of these little scissors to try them out, because everybody has told me that fussy cutting out those little teeny areas is easier with a pair of scissors like this. Oh, cool. These are iridescent. I'm liking that already. Okay, let's see how I get them out. Oh, all I do is slide this. Very nice. Oh, cool. Check them out. They have a nice weight to them. The handle is very nice and sturdy. Let's, you know, you would think I would be prepared and have something to fussy cut, or at least cut out. Here's a piece of paper. Let's see if I can cut something out. Oh, wow. These work way better than I thought little scissors would. Let me see if I can cut out. Oh, I'm terrible at cutting out. Let me try a different shape. I was going to cut out a heart, but then I realized things were going south really fast. Things are going south on my circle too. I need something to actually fussy cut out. Oh, look, a leaf petal. There we go. So they do cut out well. They're okay on my fingers. It does leave a little bit of an indentation, but that's because of my hands. But I love the weight of the handle, and it makes it real easy to control the scissors. It's just my bad cutting. I can't cut out something freehand at all. Now the next thing you're really going to like, and that is 12 rolls of cotton lace trim, and that's by Benecreat. And there's 12 rolls, and it's 60 yards. Check it out. Okay, let's see. Let's see what patterns and stuff we got in here. Here's some heavier lace. We'll probably use something like, or this on a project and use it for something like a spine. Oh, this is nice too. You can see the pattern here. And I needed some cream color really bad. So I got a combination of cream and white. So I'm just happen to be showing you the cream colored ones first. Here's another one. And they're all like crocheted type lace. They're not thin lace. I mean, they're not heavy like knitted. They're a nice weight. Here's the pattern on this one. I like this one a lot. And then there's this one. Pull a little bit out so I can get my fingers through there so I can show it to you. So there's this pattern. Oops, I'm sorry. New camera setup. Maybe I should do the others real quick just in case I was off camera. There's that pattern. On this bigger pattern, this bigger one. Let's see if I can get in here without making a big mess. Oh, here we go. That one's really pretty. And then this one, which has got like a rickrack edge. So that's nice. And then we've got this one. All right, so those are the ones I've already showed you that I think was off camera. Sorry about that. I'm looking sideways now into my computer to see. I've got a new swing arm and it's got a boom on it so that I can go straight down 90 degrees and get a better view for you guys, but I'm just not used to it yet. Oh, look at this. This one's nice. Look at that. It's got the scallops on it. Let's see. And then after this will be the white ones. And then we've got this thicker one. Another one that we'll probably use for book spine or even in a book. These are not super thick. I thought when I first looked at the at them when I took them out just now that they were going to be thick, but they're not. Let me get these out. Here's the white ones. Let me see if I can find the beginning. The beginning of the beginning. I'll have to work on that. I told you I hadn't opened this ahead of time or I would have had it all opened. Oh, look. Look at that one. It's got that little thread that runs through at the edge. I don't know. Let me see where my hand is. You see there's a little thread right there. Little bitty one. How nice. Very nice. And then there's this one, which is nice. It's thin. It's pretty. I bet that would be pretty with a shabby chic with pearls and stuff on it. And then there's this one. Hold on just one second. My crazy alarm. Okay. So there's this one, which is nice. Look how much there is so far. It's insane. It's insane. And this was less, I think this was like about $14, I think was all for all of this. And then there's this one. Oh, this is nice. And the last one. Whoops. Thought it was thicker than it was and I almost grabbed two. And then there's this one, which is nice as well. They're all nice. I got a really good selection with those. Okay, so now once again, this is Benecreat 12 rolls that equals 60 yards. And then I got these really cool scissors. Yes, yes. And then we're going to have fun with this flower die. And the die's by Arricraft and Sunnyclue is the scissors. I forgot to tell you that again. Now, the links to the exact product. If you like this lace and you want to go get this lace, then you can click on the link below and it'll take you directly to this page on the Beebeecraft website. Okay? There's also a link directly to their website. So that's it for this unboxing. And next month we'll have another unboxing, and then I will also be using these products in my projects. All right, so I will see you in the next video, and that'll be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.